So good morning, everybody. So continuing with what we've seen just now, we are actually talking in the same domain that we want to maximize yield per customer. Now, one situation which we have seen in almost all airports is that once a customer goes into the lounge, the business has lost that customer, because he will now come out only after his entire stay period is over and he's really ready for boarding the flight. So you lose that complete time with the customer and he is not really contributing anything for the business. So what we have done is that we have developed this system, what we call ACE, which is AI Curated Engagement. So this basically is like kind of a micro web shop which we basically expose the customer to when he is waiting in the lounge. The system is operated by the staff there, so it's not something, we are not expecting the customer to open it. The staff gets an ID and the staff opens the system, and the system works on basically it has intelligence at various levels. So the core of this is that we provide online intelligence in an offline shopping scenario. So we have an in-house developed recommender model, which basically, if it is a repeat customer, the moment customer's passport is entered into the system kind of checks back the entire history of the passenger in that airport, and basically knows the way online recommender systems work. This works in that format, and we get to know basically exactly what are the buying preferences and tendencies of this customer, and as compared to other customers who have similar profile, what can be recommended for him. So that is one leg of it. Another leg of it is that we have built in destination intelligence. So anybody who operates in the duty-free scenario, we know that if you are a customer who's going between, from this port to this port, we know what items you are more likely to prefer, what items you are better priced. You know that, as compared to the destination, this product, you have a better pricing. So we have that as a second level of intelligence. We of course have inventory integration with the duty-free outlet of that airport. And the last is that we have an in-house price benchmarking model, which we call PriceSense, which basically compares prices of all key SKUs across key destinations. So we know that what is the best a competitively priced product in our airport, in this airport, as compared to the destination airport. So considering all of this, we make a recommendation for the customer, which basically, the algorithm developed is such that we know what we are recommending is likely to get best conversion possible. So with past data experience, we know that our the recommender model, which we have developed and integrated into this piece, gives us almost 100% conversion, which means if a customer will buy anything, he will buy one of the 10 products which we have recommended. If somebody doesn't buy or is not in a mood to buy, keeping that aside. So broadly, that is how this whole thing works, and it works at basically utilizing and maximizing returns from the customer once he has gone into the lounge, which otherwise would have been a net loss for the operator. So it's not like it will increase, but it will actually get you a customer base, for the duty-free operator, which otherwise would not have converted. So broadly, that's how it works. The system is developed. We are, as a company, we are an Microsoft partner. So the system is developed with Microsoft resources, and we are currently already operating this in Osprey Mumbai Duty Free. So that's about it. If there are any questions, I would be happy to answer.